Okay. Hey everyone, today I'm going to make a bracelet using these beads. I'm not sure what they're called. I think they were honeycomb agate or something about a long time ago. It seems like it was honeycomb agate or something like that. I don't know. That's from memory. I mean, they vary. But I think they're really pretty. Okay, let's get started. And I'll be making a clasp at the end. Bend it like that. Go around. This, I had just worked with some nickel silver, and this is like butter compared to it. I mean, I was struggling with it. It's hard. This is 20 gauge dead soft copper wire. Sometimes you have to just tighten your coil up a little bit. And you want to go back and file where these are after you get done, feel it and see if you feel any catches or anything. Alright, let's try one. Let's take one of these. We'll try to alternate it a little bit. And I'll put one of these on for the clasp, the hook on. Pliers. I've been putting up the old videos, and I think I'm done with all of them. So I'm going to start putting just a few new ones up. I didn't even show you how to do that. You just wrap it around, make it look like you did before. Oh, keep grabbing the wrong stuff. Cut it as tight as you can. Got another project laying there. There's one. Okay, we've got it like this. Just go around. We'll tighten it up a little bit because it's separated. might cut it there. That. Now let's take, I want to save some of these for a pendant. So I'll take one of these, because it varies, the colors. Fold it back, go around, go around it. I'll pull that a little bit because it looks like that last loop was a little loose. Okay, let's do one more. I like that. Alright, fold it back. So we're off for Thanksgiving. And while we're cooking, I'm gonna, because it's just a couple of us today, just me and my husband and my son. Wish the other son could have come up, but I think he had plans with okay, now tighten up. Let's see. I'll use that one. And we'll just continue on, and I don't know how many more I'll do, but I'll be back after I finish the length of the bracelet, and then we'll put the clasp, we'll make a clasp. Okay, now we've got this much made, we're going to make a clasp. Alright, we've got about a 4.5 inch piece of wire. It might be 5 inches. Probably best to start out with maybe 5 inches. That way you have something to play with. Take about a third of it. About a third of it, and go down. Wrap your end up. Go about right there. See, I've got it in here. Go like that. Then let's clip this a little bit. So there I've got about that much hanging there. Go like that. Go around. Put it in. Or you can connect it with a jump ring. Either way, you can use a jump ring and put in between it. These are kind of big, so that's why I'm not going to use them. And then you take your pliers and you go around both wires. You can go around as many as you want. I'd at least do 3. But I might not go all the way. And you'll have to file that down right here. So there's a little catch there. And you just take a your file and just get the rough off of it. Now, if you're using like a stone that has the hardness of a 7 Mach or Mach 7, you could go ahead and just drop this into a tumbler with some metal shot and tumble it for a little bit. And it would polish the metal and wouldn't damage the stones, but I wouldn't do any that's any softer. And then we'll just take our jump ring, twist it open, always twist, never pull apart, and then twist it back. And sometimes you have to wiggle it to get it to seat good, but so you don't have a gap in it. I have to wiggle it a little bit. These were sawed for me by one of my friends a long time ago. There's our bracelet. There's our bracelet with the clasp we made. For some reason it's wanting to separate there. And you just snap it on. Well, there's our bracelet. I think it's honeycomb jasper or something like that, or honeycomb agate. Not sure. Can't remember. It's been a long time since I bought that stone. I thought it was really pretty at the time, so. And I still do. You know, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking it out to the end. It really helps me out. And like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.